Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Themes app so you can remove the active theme. Make sure your phone is unlocked and on the home screen. Once the app loads, check the top for your account. Sign in only if prompted. You should also back up wallpapers, fonts, or icon packs you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss. Now locate the active theme preview at the top. Tap it to access theme details and the Remove or Apply System default option that we need to use. Now that you see the theme details, tap the button labeled Apply or the Default option. This is how you revert to the system theme. Once you choose Default, the phone will prompt for confirmation. Accept it so the device can replace icons, wallpapers, and fonts. Wait for the home and lock screens to refresh. This can take a few seconds. If the app offers separate options for icons and fonts, apply default for each to fully remove theme assets and restore stock appearance. After applying default, restart the phone to ensure every UI element resets. This helps if some icons or fonts remain themed. If changes still do not take effect, go to Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Themes and Clear Cache, and then clear data only if you backed up anything you need. Once done, reopen Themes and reapply default. If issues persist, update or reinstall the Themes app via the system updater. That usually resolves conflicts caused by.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.